My daughter has a cold and cough. Let's try some home remedies, quick home remedies. My first home remedy is we need three things. First is mustard oil, uh, carom seeds, and garlic. Okay, garlic. Peel the garlic, uh, uncover. Then you take a bowl, and uh, mustard oil, garlic, and carom seeds, and hit lightly. Hit lightly. Hit lightly 2 minutes. And apply it on the baby's chest and soles of feet. After some times, baby feel relief. Second home remedy is very quick home remedy. You take only two things. First is clove. First is clove, and second is desi ghee. Second is desi ghee, homemade ghee, and you take one. No, you take half tablespoon desi ghee, homemade ghee, and hit well. Hit well. Then you put two clove. Take out the cloves and give your baby. My finger got burned. Finger got burned because I touch hot spoon. I apply Colgate to relieve my finger. See you in the next video.